Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making cinnamon spiced hot chocolate. Chop a 50-gram dark chocolate bar and set it aside. To a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of milk along with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa. Using a whisk, get rid of the lumps. Now move the saucepan onto the heat, and once the milk simmers, add a cinnamon stick. Next add 1 tablespoon sugar and the chopped dark chocolate. Once the chocolate melts completely, switch off the heat and discard the cinnamon stick. Our rich and delicious hot chocolate is now ready to be served. Please comment and let us know how you liked our recipe.